Hi, hello ulit sa inyo. This is Persia and welcome to my channel. I share everything about Excel and thank you for visiting my channel. So, ang topic natin today is pivot table magic. Familiar ka ba sa pivot table or baka sobrang busy ka sa work kaya you don't find time to do pivot table or pivot chart? Well, Excel now has artificial intelligence capability na kahit hindi tayo marunong or pamilyar sa pivot table or pivot chart, Excel can do it for us. So let's watch. So let's learn about pivot table magic, one of the 4 artificial intelligence features in Excel. So Excel actually has 4 artificial intelligence features. So there's may ideas, may new data types, may insert data from picture, and merong dynamic arrays. For this video, we will focus more on ideas. So let's say meron tayong data just like what we have here. It's a tabular data. So first thing that we need to do for us to use ideas is to convert it to an Excel table by pressing Ctrl T. Ctrl T automatically detects yung ating data range. All we need to do is we press OK. So we can choose the design that we want. So let's say for this example, we don't have any design. So this is already an Excel table. Ideas is in the home tab, and then ang ideas is andito sa pinakadulo. So we just click it. Our cursor should be anywhere inside our Excel table, and then we just click ideas. So now Excel will run its own artificial intelligence feature, analyzing our data, and will come out with suggested pivot table or pivot chart. So these are now the pivot table or pivot charts. Initially, I think Excel will show us around 4 different examples of pivot table and pivot charts. So if wala kayong mapili dun sa initial 4 pivot table and pivot charts, you can click here, show all 35 results. Once you click it, then Excel will show all 35 results. You just scroll down which ones you like and you can just select. Let's say this is the one that you like. All you need to do is click insert pivot chart. So now, meron na tayong Excel pivot table and a pivot chart. So now immediately, if this is something that you would like to share to your colleague or to your boss, you can just cut it or paste it. In this case, let's just cut it. And let's say we're going to create a PowerPoint presentation. So I open a PowerPoint presentation and I'll paste it here. So meron tayong analysis about the sales for this particular person, and it says na for City Baguio, this person has not noticeably higher sales. So if we go back to our sales, all we need to do, let's say we updated our data, there is an update, Baguio, let's say my changes for Baguio, let's say my changes to Baguio, let's just add 1 million. And then just click refresh for the data, let's say, and now we have 1.2 million for Ira Cruz in Baguio. So to update our PowerPoint presentation is we just click the chart, let's go to chart design, and then we just click to refresh data. So immediately the numbers is effectively updated. So that's how we update. We update the numbers, we click refresh, and then we just click refresh in our PowerPoint presentation. If we go back to our data, so ano-ano ba ang mini-measure ni Excel to come up with ideas such as this? So number 1, mayroong 4 na inside classes Excel that it measures. Number 1 is ranking. So let's scroll down. Let's see an example of a pivot chart that relates to ranking. So for this one, yung napili natin, it refers to ranking because it says that for Manager Ira Cruz, Baguio has noticeably higher sales. So that's for ranking. Second inside class that ideas in Excel measures is trending. This one is a good example for trending because it says the sales for this particular person decreases over time. The third is the outlier. This is an example of an outlier for manager Ira Cruz. Sales as an outlier at date January 1, 2007. So this is the outlier that the chart is referring to. So last insight classes is majority. Majority, so this chart here relates to majority because it says business unit direct accounts for the majority of the sales. All these charts that is being presented to us by Diaz relates to one of those 4 insight classes that Excel measures. And then if you like one of those charts, just click insert pivot table or pivot chart, or send it as an attachment to your email or as a part of your presentation. Thank you for watching and see you next time.